Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start another topic of retirement of partners. In the last video, we have discussed how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio when a partners retire. In today's video, we will discuss how to calculate the gaining ratio. Gaining ratio is calculated as new ratio minus old ratio. In case of sacrificing ratio, when a new partner was being admitted, we used to calculate by deducting the new ratio from old ratio. But in retirement, we will discuss the gaining ratio, which will be calculated by deducting the old ratio from the new ratio. Simplifying the question, the first question states that A, B and C were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 753. Find the gaining ratio and new ratio. Now these questions we have already done yesterday. Like if you have to find just the new ratio, what you have to do is just simply remove or strike out the partner who is being retired. The remaining ratio will be the new ratio and the same will be the gaining ratio. Like suppose if A retires, the remaining ratio between B and C will be 5:3. That will be their new ratio as well as their gaining ratio. And if B retires, then the ratio between A and C will be 7:3. That will be the gaining as well as their new ratio. And if C retires, the ratio between A and B will be 7:5 and it will be their gaining ratio as well. So if a partner is retiring and no such information is given, then the remaining ratio, after striking out his share, the remaining ratio will be their new ratio as well as their gaining ratio. Moving forward, the question 9b states, on 1st April 2018, A, B and C were partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. On this date, B retires. The new profit sharing ratio will be 3:2. 3/5 and 2/5. You have to find the gaining ratio. So the gaining ratio is calculated as new ratio minus old ratio. So A का old ratio आपको given है 5/10 and the new ratio is 3/10. So it will be 3/5 minus 5/10, that is 6 minus 5/10. The A will gain 1/10. For C's old ratio is 2/10 and the new ratio is 2/5 or 4/10. His gaining ratio will be 2/5 minus 2/10, that is 4 minus 2/10, or you can say 2/10. So the gaining ratio will be 1:2. The gaining ratio between A and C will be 1:2. Then there's a long question that states A and B were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3. On 1st April, they admitted C as a new partner for 1/4 share which he acquires from A and B in the ratio of 3:2. Then they admitted another partner for 1/6 share which he acquires 1/10 from A and 1/15 from C. And then A dies and his share was equally taken over by B, C and D. So there are three questions in a single question. So firstly, we have to calculate the ratio between A, B and C. So C has to get 1/4 share which he is getting from A and B in 3:2. That means A will sacrifice 3/20 and B will sacrifice 2/20. The new ratio will be A का old ratio है देखो 5/8 और उसने दिया 3/20. He will have 19/40. B का old ratio है 3/8, उसने दिया उसमें से कितना 2/20, तो इट विल बी 11/40. C का शेयर 1/4 है तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 10/40. So the new ratio will be 19, 11 and 10. The new ratio between partners will be 19, 11 and 10. Now this is the ratio between A, B and C. This is the ratio between A, B and C. Now they admitted a new partner D. They admitted a new partner D. ठीक है, और D क्या कह रहा है, D will take his share from A and C. He will take 1/10 from A and 1/15 from C. So A का रेशियो कितना हो जाएगा, पहले 19/40 था, इसने 1/10 दिया तो he will have 15/40. B का 11/40 है, उसने कुछ नहीं दिया, ठीक है ना. B का 11/40 है, उसने कुछ नहीं दिया, उसका रेशियो वही रहेगा. C का शेयर 10/40 था, he gave 1/15. So his share will be 20/120 and D will get his total share 1/6. So the new ratio will be 15/40, 11/40, 12/120 and 1/6. Or by simplifying we can say 45, 33, 22 and 20. Now in the last point they say that A dies and his share was taken over equally by B, C and D. A का शेयर है 45/120, ये इक्वली तीन पार्टनर्स आपस में डिवाइड करें, यानी कि 15/120, 15/120 एंड 15/120. तीनों पार्टनर्स को मिलेगा 15/120. सो बी का शेयर पहले 33 था, नाउ ही विल गेट 15 और मोर, तो इट विल बी 48/120. For C it will be 37/120 and for D it will be 20/120 plus 15/120, that is 35/120. So the new ratio will be 48, 37 and 35 and the gaining ratio will be 1:1:1 because everyone is gaining equally. So this is how we calculate the new ratio and the gaining ratio when a partner is retiring or a partner dies. In the next video, we will discuss how the goodwill is adjusted or treated when a partner retires. Till then, take care and have a great day.